Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to add shipping rates on Shopify, and it's very easy actually. You will just need to go to the settings button in the bottom left corner, click on it once, and here go to shipping and delivery. After that you will find this shipping panel here. So once you have clicked on it, you will scroll down a little bit and you will find the shipping zones. So either you ship to your country or where the shop is located, for example here in Tunisia, or you shop to the international. You can also add shipping zones. So for example France, etc., you can add them, but what's important here is to add the shipping rates. So let's say in Tunisia I want to add another shipping rate, and here you can go through all these options and fill out this form, and then you can fill out the price. Let's say for example 25 250 for example. Okay, and then add done. Of course here you will need to fill out the form. Click on done and click on save, and basically that's it. It will be updated. Just wait a few minutes for it to be updated on the website and you'll be done. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.